Para sa akin, isa sa pinakamasarap na pakiramdam sa buong mundo ay ang mahalin kang pabalik ng taong mahal mo.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libang-libang mga bituin?
Tawagan ako rin yung feeling ba na ako. Tatagalogin ko.
Subtitle on.
Tawagin niya na akong feeling pero I was really hoping he'd propose. Kaya naalala ko sa kong parents kung dili siya mag-propose, ako ang mag-propose.
Oh my gosh, thank you, love. Actually, the first verse of the song I sang, sinulat ko yung first verse, pero sulat ni AZ yung chorus, and finally we can sing this. Now the stars have aligned, I got your hand in mine, and it's just about everything I've prayed for. It may have taken a while, but now look at us, darling, I do. Ooh, baby, you're my dream come true.
No, we planned for a different wedding, and I thought that one was our dream wedding. But looking at you today, I realized it wasn't about the place, the date, or the other details that made that our dream wedding. It was because of you. The future holds love, but I'm sure that whatever life throws at us, you're the one I want to be with. Today, I vow to love you the way God loves me and the way you have been loving me all these years. I vow to choose to love you every day with no conditions. I love you. We are finally here, standing under the mango tree at the end and the beginning. This is the end of just you and me, and the beginning of us.
I love you so much. Wala kang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Gino ko na lang, maiiyak na ako. Hindi, pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you pala.
Oh. I love you, baby.
Andiyan yung nanay at tatay natin. Astig lang dapat kasi ako.